Hello everyone, let's have a discussion on CSV file. Here we will see how you can write record into the CSV file, how can you display all the records from the file, and how you can perform search operation on your CSV file. So full form of CSV is the comma separated values. Whenever you are entering the record, by default, by itself it will go into different lines, and in a particular lines but you are going to enter values, these will be separated by comma. That's why it is called comma separated values, that we will see. So let's start with, so function I will define. First of all, I need to import module, import CSV, imported. Then function I will define def enter. This function I will use to enter the information. Next one is def, to read the information from my file. So reading, okay, or display you can use. Okay, let's give this name reading. So when you are reading from your file, we are having two functions from CSV. If you want to read, one is reader function and second one is the dict reader function. The difference we will see. So that's why I will define two functions, reading one, reading content using reader function. The function, then next def reading 2 reading content using dict reader function. And finally one search operation we will do. For the time being I am making these one as a comment. Okay, so let's write this function. So first of all we need to create the file. F is equal to open. Yes, because CSV file is a text file, so demo.csv. Here I need to provide the mode, right? Because it is a text file, so I will give only W. Given my file is ready, now I need to write content into it. So whenever you are working with the CSV file, you need to create one object using writer function. So let's create that one. WR is equal to CSV.writer, and in bracket you will pass F. Okay, so this WR object is used to write into the file, CSV file, which is F. Okay, so now I will write title into it. Title is equal to roll number, comma, name and marks. So this is the record or the information about the particular student. So how will you write? WR dot write row. So which function is used? Write row function is used to write into the CSV file, and here we will pass the object, or here we will pass the information or the record that you want to write into your file. So title will come here. Okay, so that is written. Now we will ask from the user whether you want to enter the record or not. So choice is equal to input, enter. Why? If you want to enter record, else enter n or press n. So while choice is equal to y, means user is accepting, yes, I want to enter the record. So information we will take from the user. R is equal to and input, enter roll number, done. Then we will take name, enter name, okay. Then marks we will take, record we will create out of it. First element is R, comma, name, comma, mks, and that record we will write into our file. And which function is used? Write row. wr dot write row, and here you will pass your record. Alright. So one record is entered. Now again you are supposed to ask the choice. This is the part of the loop. If you will press enter y here, then it will go to the loop, means choice is equal to y, then again you can enter the record. But if you are entering n now, then it will not go. It means all the records what you were supposed to enter will be over. So all the records are entered. Now I will close my file, f dot close. Okay. So that was my function to enter the record into my CSV file. Let's see. Now I will call this function. Enter. Let's execute it. So what it is asking, enter y if you want to enter record, else enter n. So y I will give, enter roll number 11, name is Ram, marks 89, yes I want to enter, roll number is 12, name is Sham, then marks will be 90, yes I want to enter, name is Neha, then roll number I was supposed to give. Okay, anyway, let's see our file. It should be on desktop, right? Okay. Desktop demo.csv. Yes, so here you can see roll number, name, marks, 11 roll number, name of the student. Okay, because while entering the value I have given the blank space, so that is also have taken. Okay, wait, let's open here. Yes, if here you will see roll number, name, marks, roll number, name, marks, then This is the first record, this is the second record, right? And here you will see values are separated by comma. It is a text file only, but you can open it with Excel also. That's why it is called comma separated values. Okay, let's come to the program again. So that was the function to enter the information into our CSV file. Now I want to read the record. So what I have told, two function we are having if you want to read from your CSV file. One is the reader function and second one is the dict reader function. So first of all we need to open our file. F is equal to open, what is the name of the file is demo.csv, right? And then which mode? R mode we will open. Okay, one more thing you will notice, some program are providing here one more argument, new line is equal to blank. What is the meaning of it? When you are entering different records, no, then by default it is inserting that record into the next line and it will leave one line in between. What is the meaning? First record it will enter, then it will leave one line, then in the third line it will insert the record, then fourth line will be blank, fifth line it will insert the record. So like that it will not be the continuous insertion of the data, in between gap will come. So to avoid that one, what I am doing is new line is equal to blank, means my new line character should be blank, it should not leave any line in between, all the records should be continuous. That's why in some program if you will write, if blank space is coming, that you can avoid like this, new line is equal to blank. So now I will come to the reading part. I have opened the file, now it's turn to read. RD is equal to CSV dot reader, and here I will pass F. Now RD is the object, but it is containing all the records in one go. So for I in RD, print I0, I1, I2, because each record is a list, right? So and last one I will close my file. So that is the function to read from your CSV file or to print all the records. So reading 1, this is the function we have called. One more function we will define using dict reader. Need to open the file. File is open. Now RD is equal to CSV dot dict reader, and F we will pass. Now for I in RD, just print I. Let's see what will be the output, and after that we will close our file. One statement I am giving to differentiate. printing नहीं reading using reader function. Using dict reader function. Okay, let's see the output now. I need to call these function, no? Reading 2 we will call. Yes, CD already I'm on desktop. Okay, one error. Yes, I want to enter roll number 1, name is Ram, marks 89. Yes, roll number 2, name is Sham, marks 67. Yes, roll number is 3, name Neha, marks 90. No, just see. This is the output, reading using reader function. So how the values are printed? Roll number, name, marks 1, Ram, Sham, Neha, and the marks are given. Now when you are using dict reader function, just see how the output is coming. Each record it is printing roll number 1, name Ram, marks 89. So with each record the title is also associated. In the form of the dictionary it will print all the records. Each record key value pair, each record key value pair. Okay, so that will be helpful into the search function. Let's see using the how we can search, how we can perform search. So this is reading 1 using reader function. This is using dict reader function. How can you do? Next, what I want to do function to print roll number and name of those students who are having marks less than 33, okay, or more than 90, whatever. The main thing is just how to perform search. For searching purpose you are reading your file, so we need to open our file in read mode. Open. Now it is depending upon you how you want to read. You can do using reader function also, you can do using dict reader also. So here I will discuss using reader function. Okay, both method we will discuss. RD is equal to CSV dot reader, and in F we will provide, then for INRD if now marks we were having at third position, so 0 1 2. If I2 is less than 33, what we are supposed to print name, roll number and name. So print I0 comma I1, and at the top you can give the title print here. One thing we need to do, we need to skip the title, because the first row in my record is the title only. So how can we compare the title? No, so that we want to skip. So here, because it is a text file, so you can use the next function to skip the title. So here I will use one thing, next RD. Command to skip the title of file. Title in the file. Okay, so from the first record it will start, and after that we need to close our file, and this function you will call yes, I want to enter roll number 11, name is Ram, mark 67. Yes, I want to enter roll number 12, Sham. I need to provide marks less than 33 so that something will come into the result. Again Y, then roll number 13, name is Neha. Okay, marks she is having 23 only. No. String and integer. Okay, let me see what I did. Input mark. Teaser and string. Okay, the values what we have entered into our file, no, these are taken as a string. So in dictionary you can see your roll number and marks are going as a string. So whenever you are comparing, you need to convert it back into the integer value. That's why we need to write here int. Yes, I want to enter roll number 11. Name is Ram. Marks 23. Yes. Sham. Aha, roll number. Yes, roll number 11. Name is Neha. Marks 56. Yes. Roll number 12. Name is Ram. Marks 12. Then Y. Sham. Sorry again. Y. Roll number 11. Name is Neha. Marks 23. Yes, I want to enter. Roll number is 12. Name is Sham. Marks 34. Luckily. Y. Ram. Again I did the same mistake. Yes, roll number 11. Name is Neha. Marks 34. Yes, roll number 12. Sham. Marks 12. Yes. Ram. Oh, roll number 13. Name is Ram. And marks we are having 12, no, 23. No. Yes, exact. Now this is the output using reader function. This is the output using dict reader function, and this is the result of your search function. So here you can see Ram and Sham both are having the marks less than 33. So like that we have designed our search function. This I have done using reader function. If you want to do using dict reader function, then here you need to use this one, dict reader. This one you have done for I in RD. Here, because which one you will marks you want to refer, no? So here you will mention I marks. If it is less than 33, then what you are supposed to write? Roll number and name. Yes, I want to enter roll number 11. Name is Ram. Marks 56. Yes, I want to enter 12. Name is Sham. Marks 12. Yes, I want to enter. Roll number is 13. Name is Neha and marks 14. So no, marks is not defined. Yes, this it will come here because it is string. Now we will see Y11, name is Ram, marks 34, Y, roll number is 12, enter name Sham, marks 12, Y, enter roll number 13, and then name is Neha, marks I will give 14. Now no, yes, now the result has come. Just one thing you need to note down here, name of the attribute and value of the attribute will go as a string in the dictionary or in the file, right? You need to refer as a string, and at the same time you need to convert that string into integer also. So here you can go through it once. This is the search function using dict reader function. This is the function to read the file using dict reader function, and this is using reader function, and this one is to enter record into our file. Okay, so thank you for this session.